What's good, guys? So this was the trade I took on the 31st of October 2025. So why did I take this trade and why did I leave this trade? So by the way, this trade I exited manually. So here is my reason. So I saw an indication from here to here. From this point, this was it. So I saw this indication from this point to this point. So I was expecting that the prices will move way much higher. But rather than doing that, this market started creating lows. So we moved to this highest point, we came down a bit. Instead of us to make a higher high, we make a double high. We made a double high and then we pulled low. So we pushed up, we did not even go above here, and now prices were at this point. I exited manually, and thank God I did because the markets continued to be quite bearish. So um, apart from this, I took some other entries. So this guy, I took this trade. Nothing was wrong with the setup, just that the entry was when there was no volume. And volume is everything in the market. I just entered this trade stupidly. So that was why this guy didn't work out. There wasn't any volume. And when I entered, so that made me not to get a very good entry. And I ended up being hit out from the market. Now, fast forward to these two. These two, I took them on the 5th. So, and they really did well. So, I saw my entries from here. As you can see, this market has made a falling candle around here. This was the candle that made the falling candle, and now I'm expecting that since we made it to this point, the next drop should be lower. Now, I did a mistake with this trade, but thank God I didn't get messed up, because after this lowest point here, this take profit should be this point here. And if you watch what happened, the market, when it got to this point, we rallied off, which is totally normal. So now I enter this trade. So this should be my second trade that would have led me to this point, and I should exit. So me allowing this trade to, trying to swing it is not proper. It's not proper. Yes, it made me it made the profits, it made me a lot of profit, but it's not proper. I didn't do the right thing. Even though the trade worked out, it was a bad trade. So yeah, this was a two trade. In this With this two trade alone, I made about above, I think, above 5%, almost 5.5%. So which is good, which is pretty good. But this one wasn't really that good. This one was good. Now, why did I enter the second trade? Let me delete this. This second trade, I entered it because at this point I was looking for a faking candle, because take this as my indication. Something got broken here. So I expect that when market goes up here, fooling people to think that we are continuing the bullish trend, it is going to turn back. And that was exactly what happened. And boom, it came down and gave me my money here. I closed out. And thank God I closed out. There is this thing that has been happening to me over a long period of time, and that is me, not taking what the market is willing to give me. And while I'll be expecting to, get everything out of the market, and in most cases, the market will come back and take what it has given me. Just imagine if I did not set my take profit at this point. I just left it open, and before I could wake up, the thing has reversed back to my entry point. That would have been so bad. That would have been very, very bad. So, yeah, that was it. Peace out. What's good, guys? So, it's your boy once again. So, from about 7th till today, I've taken like 3 trades, and we are quickly going to do the review of those trades. So, this one I took it on Friday. Pretty good setup. Now, this was why I got into this trade in the first place. If you watch, we made this indication down with this candle here. So I was hoping to sell from this point down, at least to lower below this point, just to this level. But it came back to my stop loss and stopped me out. So the second trade I took, I shouldn't have taken it. I mean, this was more of like, I noticed that the market is trying to pull up, and I took this for an indication. So I was expecting to carry this trade up to this point, but I shouldn't have taken this trade in the first place, because if I go to the daily time frame, why I shouldn't take this trade is that if I go, the market has been ranging for so long, so that confused me. I shouldn't buy until we get above here. No matter the noise I'm seeing here, I shouldn't buy until we get above here. So I just bought because I saw the body of the candle close above this yellow line to be bullish, and look at what happened. Immediately I bought. With this candle around somewhere around here, I took this trade. The market rejected immediately and took us as if it was just waiting to catch me here. So this was out of the picture. So back to the shorts, the market came around the first place I sold before, but it rejected back and also took me out. I mean, these are the expenses you make as a trader. So no strings attached, just one of those things. So this took me out. Risk was properly managed and everything was in place. So these are just expenses you run. So and it's all fine. It's totally fine for those things to happen. Yeah, this is it. Peace out.